Good morning. My thanks to the GSMA for inviting me and to you for coming today. As you just heard, my name is Nino, which in Japanese actually means new fields. Very appropriate, I thought, given the focus of today's session. There is no doubt companies in the private sector have a vital role to play in supporting the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Corporate profit is no longer just about the bottom line. It is about generating sustainable benefits and sustainable future. NEC is a global ICT service and product provider. But several years ago, we determined our meaningful future as a social value creator. Today, I will talk about how we, as companies, can commit our leading technologies to create a safer, healthier, resource-efficient society. It is possible. It is productive if we do it together. First, a few points on our history. NEC started business in 1899 to offer modern telephony products and reliable maintenance services. As early as 1977, at Intercom Atlanta, our chairman foresaw the integration of computer and communications technologies, enabling people to talk and see each other anytime and anywhere. NEC has grown into a global company. We have 100,000 employees in 160 countries. We possess both computer and communication technologies. This enables us to foresee trend. Today, we combine the two technologies in social solutions. Last month in Davos, the World Economic Forum included NEC in the 100 sustainable corporations in the world. To resolve today's complex social issues, companies must integrate multiple technologies with knowledge. Companies can create social value by moving beyond simple products, working together with partners and stakeholders. We can devise helpful solutions for all social problems. To orchestrate a brighter world, NEC has formed its own 7 themes for social value creation, each with specific goals and delivery outcomes. Our social value themes start with the planet and narrow to the individual. We will see some examples later. I'm sure you have noticed these themes align closely with the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. For example, public service and safer cities, lifeline infrastructure, and communication. These link to SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So, how can we all create social value that complement SDGs? We believe digital transformation is key to social value creation. Digital transformation creates disruptive business models and social schemes, focusing technologies such as AI and IoT. Digital transformation requires three processes: visualization, analysis, and prescription. First, you translate real-world information into digital data to understand current situations. This is visualization. Second, you gain insights and predict outcomes through data analysis. Third, you turn insight into real-world actions to deliver social value. Three technologies enable this process: AI, computing, and communication networks. Communication networks for real-time connectivity. Computer technology for secure information exchange. AI technology for analysis and prescription. NEC has all three digital transformation technologies in-house. We have amassed experience combining the technologies to create unique value propositions and contribute to SDGs. I have prepared a few examples. We are helping the city of Tigre in Argentina prevent crime and build a safe and secure city using image recognition solutions to monitor the street. SDG number 11, sustainable cities and communities. This is short video explains how.
La seguridad es fundamental. Queremos ciudades seguras, vitales, sanas y saludables. Tenemos más de 1000 cámaras monitoreadas por un centro de operaciones mediante el cual prevenimos el delito por un lado, también prevenimos en materia de accidentes.
Nos encontramos con un promedio de aproximadamente 100 vehículos robados al mes y este tipo de soluciones hemos llegado a un acumulado en la baja de esa modalidad delictiva de un 80%. Otra de las aplicaciones que trabajamos con NEC tiene que ver con el reconocimiento facial. Esto nos permitió colaborar tanto con la justicia en la detención de personas con algún impedimento legal y en el recupero de personas y la posterior vuelta a su domicilio.
Pensamos que la tecnología, en tanto aliada del hombre, aliada de los ciudadanos, nos permite mejorar su calidad de vida, nos permite, en este caso específico, tener una ciudad más segura.
The city surveillance center is now operating, and motor vehicle theft decreased by 80% in 2013 compared with 2008. City tourist incomes have tripled over the past 10 years. These results were achieved through digital transformation, visualization, analysis, and prescription, enabled by AI and advanced technologies. We work together with the city of Tigre to design and implement a safer city solution, and we are proud of it. Next, an example of what fruit a similar collaboration can reap in the field of agriculture.
As global populations increase, so does the global demand for food. NEC is working with Kagome, a leading producer of food and beverage products, to maximize the harvests of tomatoes. Tomatoes are difficult to cultivate effectively, requiring years of experience to develop essential farming skills. Kagome and NEC are seeking to increase crop yields in existing production areas and develop new ones in countries not known for tomato production. In the first year, NEC was able to produce accurate crop predictions without copious amounts of past data that can take years to accumulate. In open cultivation, weather is a big variable. NEC's solution allows multiple growth prediction simulations based on the latest weather conditions. On a farm in Portugal, for instance, NEC successfully improved harvest yields by 20%.
In the future, artificial intelligence will mimic entire value chain from production to distribution, optimizing farm processes such as cropping and harvesting. Such solutions can help minimize food loss or waste and boost factory utilization. Now, moving to Mozambique, our digital transformation underprinted a landscape-changing e-money solution. SDGs, no poverty, industry innovation and infrastructure, and partnership for the goals. Hunger and poverty are a serious issue in Mozambique, where agriculture is the main economic activity. NEC is working with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN to improve agricultural productivity. Authorities initially distributed paper vouchers to small-scale farmers to give them greater market access and build stronger market networks. However, the system faced problems in terms of security, traceability, and convenience. NEC built an e-voucher system with mobile technology. We work together with a number of partners, including telecom carriers, the FAO, and Nippon Biodiesel Fuel. This solution enabled farmers to use subsidies better and increase their income by improving distribution of agriculture products. We believe these financial platforms can be leveraged in many emerging countries. My final case involves healthy eating and education for youth in Chile. Two major national policies: SDGs, good health and well-being, and quality education. The Chilean government had problems implementing its meals program for children. It lacked a necessary skill set to trace and guarantee nationwide progress. NEC applied a biometric solution to a program operated in 30 schools across 3 cities by FUNAEB, the national organization responsible for providing school meals. the schools are connected via Telefónica's mobile network to central servers for fingerprint authentication. The solution enabled FUNAEB to check and ensure each student received proper meal benefits. It also helps prevent fraud while respecting user rights and privacy. Our trial project ensured the meals program was accessible to over 30,000 students, improving FUNAEB food program. FUNAEB will expand the solution to cover 4 million students, helping Chile maintain its strong position among Latin American countries for nutrition and literacy. All the cases I have described illustrate how digital transformation contributes to SDGs. It enables leveraging of advanced technologies such as AI, connectivity, and security. It generates clear results, working with partners from telecom companies to the public sector and many other types of business enterprise. The way to realize a better society in line with sustainable development goals is to focus on digital transformation. But that requires co-innovation and co-creation. Last slide. This is our brand message, orchestrating a brighter world. While we have been known to make magic, that little mark, there is a conductor's button, not Hogwarts wand. Creating social value through partnership is the only way to succeed. So let us orchestrate our brighter world together. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Very well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you.